What do we call the large boat used for transporting people or goods across the sea? What is the name of the large road vehicle used for long-distance passenger travel? What is the name of the large road vehicle? What do we call the area designated for aircraft to take off and land? What do we call the non-motorized vehicle that can be pushed or pulled for transporting goods, often used in supermarkets? What is the term for a large boat used primarily for public or commercial transport on inland waterways?